I have to break my iPhone if I don't have those emojis and fidgets. Except I have to use the Max Action Crane truck to find these fidgets. Look at this cheese stress ball I actually found at Walmart. Okay, first up we have a red heart. Red heart spotted. Oh no, it fell out. One red heart. And next up we have a snake. We have one snake fidget. It's so cute and pink. And we have one unicorn hanging on by a thread. And next up we have an apple going down. We have an apple. This is one of my favorite apple stress balls because it looks so real. Next up we have a